Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to crop a video in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to crop video-specific parts in Clipchamp, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To crop a video in Microsoft Clipchamp, first of all, open the Clipchamp app on your computer or in a web browser and log into your account. Once you are in Clipchamp, click on the Create a New Video button to start a new project or open an existing one. Now, upload the video into the media library that you want to crop. Once uploaded, drag the video from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the video in the timeline to select it. The video will appear in the preview window above the timeline. Once you select the video, you will see options to crop the video. Click on this crop icon. Use the crop handles to adjust the area you want to keep. Everything outside the cropped area will be removed. Crop the video from the left, right, top, and bottom sides of the video. Once you are satisfied with the cropping, click on this tick to save the change. You can preview the cropped video in the preview window. After cropping the video, click the Export button to save your edited video. By following these simple steps, you can easily crop a video in Clipchamp.